This video will show you how to fix iPhone unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. Issue. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to fix the iPhone not available for 15 minutes issue using the iOS Unlock application. Step 1. Download and install the iOS Unlock application on your computer and launch it. Use a working USB cord to link your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Select the Screen Unlock module from the available options. Afterward, select the iOS option from the next screen because you are unlocking an iOS device. Click the Unlock iOS screen option to proceed with the screen unlocking procedure and hit the Start button to initiate the process. Make sure your iPhone has enough power. Step 3. Follow the steps provided on the application screen to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Try the DFU mode if the recovery mode does not work. The iOS Unlock application will detect your iPhone automatically after it gets into recovery mode and display its details as the iPhone model, version, etc. Confirm that the information provided is correct and click the Start button. Step 4. The iOS Unlock app will begin to download a repair firmware. You can halt the process by hitting the Stop button. Wait for the process to complete, and you track its progress on the progress bar. Step 5. The firmware will be displayed on the computer screen after it is downloaded and verified. Click the Unlock Now button, hit the Unlock button, and key in 000000 on the text area provided to confirm the action. Wait for the process to finish and click the Done button. Here is how to fix the iPhone is disabled. Try again in 15 minutes via the Find My iPhone feature. Step 1. Navigate to iCloud.com using a browser and log in using your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Hit the Find My iPhone button on the upper left corner of the screen. Navigate to All Devices and choose the iPhone. Step 3. Click the Erase iPhone button to erase data on your iPhone. Step 4. Tap the Remove from Account button. Here is how to fix the iPhone unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes issue using iTunes. Step 1. Launch iTunes on your computer and ensure it is the latest version. Step 2. Enter recovery mode on the unavailable iPhone. Step 3. A pop-up will appear on iTunes, prompting you to restore or update the device. Tap on Restore to remove your password and reset your iPhone. Here is how to fix the iPhone disabled for 15 minutes issue via the Erase iPhone feature for iPhones running iOS 15.2 and later. Step 1. Enter the wrong screen lock for the Erase iPhone option to appear. Step 2. Hit the Erase iPhone button on the iPhone unavailable screen. Step 3. On the Erase All Content and Settings screen that shows up, tap on the Erase iPhone button at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Tap on the Sign Out of Apple ID window and enter your Apple ID's password to initialize the process. Step 5. Tap Set Up New Device and navigate to the Apps and Data screen to set up your iPhone again.